What does the U in unity mean?
Understanding.
Okay, so she said first, so.
Yeah.
What does U in unity mean to you? Who said me first?
It means that it helps other people understand what other people are thinking and feeling.
Okay, so Beverly, before you do push-ups, what is your lesson?
Understanding other people.
What does the U in unity stand for?
Understanding. She got it first.
So push-ups. What does U in unity mean to you?
Understand people. Okay. To recognize someone's worth and not belittle them or just understand their emotions of like if they get mad, know why they're mad. If they're sad, just try and understand them. Don't be difficult.
Well, Harlow, sadly to say, you were the last person to answer, so push-ups for you.
Yay!